Got Dalton here welding. What's your Instagram, Dalton?
I don't even remember.
You don't remember? Alright, well,
Even...
I'll put it in the description or whatever. Also, he does side work for people, so definitely hit him up and bug the shit out of him. Just like staring right at that, Frank? You're retarded. You're dumb as shit. Use your phone, man.
Staring right at it.
So we got like some goodness like that, and then some ghetto-ness like that. That's what I bring to the table. That's what Dalton brings to the table. He hasn't even scraped it. Looking good. Thumbs up. Well guys, I've decided to put a little more effort into the Redcar engine. I'm already kind of in the process, but I'm gonna go ahead and throw my old Mellings high pressure oil pump onto this engine out of my Miata engine that just got rebuilt. The old pump's probably fine. Throwing it on there. It's already on. I've been working on that a couple hours here, right here. And then the cam's gonna come out too. So I have my old LS6 cam that is in good shape. I'm gonna throw that in here, which is supposed to be a little bit better for turbo. Decided to pull the heads off now. Reason being is I don't have the tools to hold the lifters up when I spin the cam. So the heads were going to come off anyway. I take those off, I can take the lifters out, and then the cam will slide right out. I can inspect the bearings, blah, blah, blah. See how it goes. Whew. Every single one of those lifters was stuck in there. I had to use pliers to pry them out. Look at this mess. This engine is disgusting. There she goes. Well, nothing crazy, so that's cool. Oh, cam bearings are shot. I can already see it. Oh yeah. Yep, they're all shot. Well, as you can see, the engine's out and it's going to be dropped off at the machine shop. I've got to pull it apart first. It's right there, and got to pull the pistons out of it, main caps, and get the oil pan off. I'm gonna get it cleaned up and get new cam bearings put in. Getting the cam bearings done, I think, is a good idea, and having someone look at this thing at least that knows what they're looking at, probably better than nothing, of course. And I really didn't want to put any money into this engine, but since I got it for free, it's, you know, putting a little bit of money into it's not going to be the end of the world. Just kind of sucks. I didn't want to have to do all this, but it is what it is. It's out now, and I got to get the transmission off and get the engine on an engine stand, and that'll be later.